Let's talk about electrolytes and quality water. Now, all of us know today that the quality of the water that we consume straight out of the tap, or even with microplastics in our plastic water bottles, we're most often not getting the best source of water. And if you've done any research, as I have, you've learned that often once we filter that water, we're stripping out any good quality minerals and those different things that we need in our water to fully hydrate our bodies. Hey, grab my guide over at lowertoxiclife.com if you want these recipes and more. So today I'm going to cover with you some simple steps to get those electrolytes into your water and into your system. Now, if money's not an option, there's a lot of different things that you can try. For convenience, I'm sure you've heard of Element. Okay, Element. These are the prepackaged ones. You can order these off of Amazon. You can often find these and others at Costco or wherever you do your grocery shopping. These can get expensive, and I don't personally like them except for when I'm traveling because they add to our landfills, and I am really all about reduce, reuse, recycle. So the Element brand is good on the go. Now, this is the one that I really like that's pre-done is the Relight Hydration, and this is made by the Redmond Salt Company. Okay, so Relight. This is orderable at Amazon as well. Not as costly as the pre-packaged ones, but these are super simple. They've got a scoop in them. You just scoop it out, right? Add a little scoop, and one of these, I believe, has 60 servings in it. All right, now, another great way to get your electrolytes is through magnesium water. One of the things that I like to do, I start my morning with this, and then I end my evening with this before I go to bed. I will put a scoop of magnesium powder, some essential peppermint oil drops, like 2 or 3 drops, because this can taste kind of chalky sometimes. And then if you really want to, you can add a lemon, a little squeeze of lemon, or you can add some sea salt, because basically when we're talking about electrolytes, we need salt, potassium, magnesium, and those are really the core items that we need. Calcium, some of those things can be in there too. So 2 brands of salt that I like to use. I like the Redmond Real Salt, as I had mentioned, and then I also have started using this Celtic Way sea salt. Both of these, in the description below, I'll have links to all of these on Amazon. So you can just simply add a little bit of salt and a little bit of lemon to your water, and you're going to be light years ahead. Throw in some magnesium with that, and again, you're getting exactly what you need. Then you can also, these trace minerals that I've ordered off of Amazon, these also, you can just put these into water. These taste a little bit salty, so kind of the same thing. I will typically add a little squeeze of lemon or a little squeeze of lime if I'm using these, because I don't care for the super salty taste of it. And now I wanted to show you a fabulous electrolyte drink that I learned from Mark Sisson of Mark's Daily Apple, and it's as simple as this: 12 ounces of organic coconut water. Okay, you're going to do 1 to 2 tablespoons of blackstrap molasses. That could be optional if you don't want it sweeter. And then the juice of a lemon and a lime in there. You mix all of that together, and then you're going to put in a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, any of these salts, mix it all together, taste it, and then if you want to add extra water, and certainly ice if it's a little bit strong. This simple thing alone really is going to assist you in getting your potassium, your magnesium, some calcium, and some salt that your body needs on a daily basis to perform at its absolute best. So what tips and tricks do you have? How concerned are you about your water supply? And make sure you watch this video on the danger of plastics in our environment and in our food supply. I'm Jackie Elmer, lowertoxiclife.com.